of the game. It's a rich thing.
Are you standing at the edge of your future, staring down to roads, one labeled software engineering, the other information technology, and wondering which one leads to success? Let's face it, your choice today might just shape the next 30 years of your life. Scary? Yes. Exciting? Absolutely. But here is the truth. Most people don't choose, they guess, and then regret. So today, I'll walk you through a powerful guide, no jargon, just clarity. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path is right for you. Let's begin. Let's start simple. What is software engineering? Software engineering is like being the architect of the digital world. You design, build, and maintain software, which are basically the apps on your phone, websites you visit, and programs you use on your computer. So as a software engineer, you're not just typing code. You're solving problems using logic, creativity, and precision. If your brain gets excited about building the next WhatsApp, creating AI tools, or fixing bugs are little mistakes in software that make things not work properly, this might be your path. Now, let's talk about IT, short for information technology. This is the backbone that supports all technology. Think of IT professionals as the tech doctors and security guards behind the scenes. They manage systems, ensure security, and troubleshoot problems. Files. Troubleshoot means fixing problems, like if someone can't connect to Wi-Fi or their computer freezes. And ensure security? That's where firewalls come in. A firewall is like a digital security guard that protects your computer from hackers and viruses. IT professionals don't just fix printers, they set up computer networks, manage servers. Servers are super powerful computers that store websites, apps, or company data, and make sure your data stays safe. Here is where things get real, because your future isn't just about skills, it's about stakes. Imagine spending 4 years studying something you don't enjoy, or worse, entering a job market with skills that are no longer in demand. Let's talk numbers. Software engineering often leads to high-paying roles in companies like Google, Amazon, or startups. Average salaries can go from $70,000 to $150,000 and beyond. You can even freelance. Freelancing is working for yourself, choosing your own projects, your own clients, or build your own app-based business. Apps are small software programs you download on your phone to do stuff, like order food, track your health, or chat with friends. Information technology, IT. IT has tons of roles, like network administrator, cybersecurity expert, or cloud engineer. A cloud engineer works with the cloud, which just means storing data online instead of on your own device. Like when your photos are backed up to Google Photos, that's the cloud. Salaries here range from $60,000 to $130,000, depending on your specialty and certifications. Certifications are official training that proves you know what you're doing, like a driver's license for tech skills. Software engineers often work remotely, from anywhere, solo or in teams, and they build products from scratch. IT professionals are the go-to problem solvers in offices, especially in places like hospitals, banks, and big companies, making sure everything is running smoothly 24/7. Alright, it's decision time. What do you want your future to feel like? The truth is, both fields are in high demand. Both are resilient to automation, which means robots and AI can't easily replace these jobs. They still need smart humans, but the kind of success you'll feel, that depends on your personality, passion, and pace. Software engineering is perfect if you love innovation, want to work on cutting-edge tech like AI, robotics, or video games, thrive in quiet, deep focus environments. Information technology is ideal if you enjoy helping people, prefer structure, stability, and system maintenance, like solving real-world tech problems, want to keep businesses running and safe. Hit subscribe and stay tuned for our next video, The Ultimate Tech Career in 2030. How to future-proof your skills. Choose wisely, because the future isn't waiting. It's being coded right now. Like, subscribe, comment, which path are you leaning toward? And remember, your career is the most important project you'll ever build.